boys, Seacronic's back. This is like my third day in a row. Maybe second, I'm not sure. But we have some stuff to do. So I've been working on this recently. And yeah. It's just been a waste of energy. I'm only doing this for the acorns. Alright, that's it. Alright, so let's open some stuff. So first we got these greater ones. What's in these actually? Okay, let's see. 5-star crystal shards. I was not expecting that. I'm shocked actually. That actually went really, really well. So we have 22 of these. It's pretty nice. That's some gold. We can use that into we can put it into like Symbiote Supreme. Do we have any units? Okay, we need to get 1 3-star to open that. We have 3 of these. Come on, 1 3-star. This has to be. Oh my god. This game. Actually, if we pull 2 more 2-stars, then we can get that 3-star. 4-star shards? Nope. Let's see. Can we get any 3-star? Come on, this has to be a 3-star. Oh my gosh. I really don't want to sell a 2-star. But I'm not sure. I'm thinking of opening a featured Grandmaster crystal, but it's a lot of gold. Wait, actually I might rank. No, I have to do Symbiote Supreme first, then Domino. Decisions. What? I don't want to boost. Looking for some ISO or some. None of these give me shards. Yes, screw it, we'll open one of these. We'll open one. Never do this, okay? Don't follow in my footsteps. Never do this. Oh man, I just look like the dumbest person ever. 200 units for 4-star crystal. I don't think anyone would ever do that. Aside from me. It's not even... I have no words for this game. Oh man. I really... Oh my. Okay. I really gotta turn on my Do Not Disturb. Oh my. No. I don't even know I have my ring on, actually. We're gonna open some of these. Forgot about these. Ooh, we have it. Oh, I already have 3 tech. Oh, I got a Mystic. I don't have any Mystic characters I really like right now. On the alt account, I'm trying to get Magic because I can rank her up right now. Let's see. Oh yeah, I was gonna buy this. Alright, if we don't get units, I'm ending the video. Okay. Units. And alright boys, I'll see you later. See you, Crunks out.